Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Bread Savings app for payment scheduling features step by step clearly. To download the Bread Savings app, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, this is the App Store. For Android users, it's the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Bread Savings. Press the search button to initiate the search. Look for the official Bread Savings app in the search results. Ensure it has the correct logo and developer name. Once you find it, tap on the app to view its details. Check the app's rating and reviews to confirm its reliability. Tap the download or get button to begin the installation. If prompted, enter your password or use your biometric login. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the app on your home screen. Tap on the Bread Savings app icon to open it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Once your account is set, explore the payment scheduling features. You are now ready to use the Bread Savings app for your payment needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.